Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, The Lens India Professional Photography. Thank you again for joining this video. So as I promised, I will be posting the new video today based on our topic, photography, which is more related to the basic photography. And in today's topic, let's talk about what photography means. So if you say the word photo, we normally perceive this word as we are seeing an image or we are capturing an image. In our day-to-day life, certainly yes, now it has become our practice to perceive the word photo as a picture or an image. But technically, if we try to understand what photography means, so let me explain you about the word photography. So let's talk about that today. So if you see the word photography consists of two words. One is photo and other is the graphy. So let's try to understand the first word of our topic today, that is the photo. So photo literally means the photon, and this word photo has been derived from the Greek word which is the photon, and it has been converted into the word photo. So what does photon exactly means? The photon means a particle which has a quantum of light, or basically which has an electromagnetic radiation. So this is the definition as per the physics, and literally in photography we are working with the help of light. So when we talk about the photography, so it's not just merely about the capturing photos or the images or the pictures of a subject or an object, but we are literally capturing the effects of light falling on that object. So this is the basic understanding or the technical understanding of the word photo. So when we are talking about the photography, so literally it means that we need to understand light based on the definition of the photo, and we need to execute a process of capturing the images or the pictures by understanding the light properly. And thus we can comfortably say that photography is mainly not about focusing on the subject, but it is mainly focusing about the understanding of the light and capturing the beautiful pictures. So this is about the word photo. And then we come to the next part of the word graphy. So what does graphy means? So graphy, if we convert this word graphy into the word called graph, so just think what we are doing when we are plotting a graph. When we plot a graph, we do write something. When we plot a graph, we do sketch something. When we plot a graph, we do draw some shapes, something. And we plot a graph when we do some painting in it. So in short, the graphy means which involves a process like writing, like sketching, like drawing, and like painting. So when it comes to photography, it literally means that we write with the help of light, we sketch with the help of light, we draw with the help of light, and we paint with the help of light. And this is what is the basic process where the photography is related to. So once we understand this process, that how we should interpret the light, how we should see the light, or how we should understand the light, it becomes very easy for us to capture the photograph. So let's, in our next session, study this in much more details. What do we mean by writing with light? What do we mean by sketching with light? What do we mean by drawing with light? And what do we mean by painting with light? So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Stay tuned and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel, The Lens India Photography. Thank you so much.